Now is available at McCarthy Cars Mercedes C-Class C220 BlueTec diesel 65 plate 2015 metallic silver. Car has front parking sensors, has front daylights, car has 17-inch alloy wheels, it's got panoramic glass roof. Car has rear parking sensors, has reversing camera, split folding rear seats, electric tailgate, full black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, twin panoramic glass roof, four electric windows, electric and folding mirrors, full electric seats, memory as well, heated seats. Car has Bluetooth telephone connection, it's got satellite navigation, has reversing camera. DAB radio, 2 central cup holders, agility mode, which is Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort Individual. Thank you for watching.